my god, a serial killer at school? I have to go warn Julia and Stephanie.
So, have you seen that new music video?
Which one?
That one from like One Direction.
Oh my gosh, you like One Direction?
Yes!
Guys, there's a serial killer at school. Look.
That looks like so fake.
It's not fake, I'm telling you it's real.
There's no such thing.
No, there's no such thing as ghosts.
I swear. What if she kills one of us? What if one of us
She's
dies?
not going
No.
to. It's not true, Kendall.
Why don't you believe
You
me?
can't believe everything you hear.
You guys don't believe anything I say. I'm just saying we should be careful, okay?
Sure.
Fine, don't believe me.
Go!
I can't.